lost his client base. He's lost his contacts. A lot can happen in 3 years. But Peter is lost. And even though he got called with Andrew, Andrew can't call him back. And that's why this text is important to me. Because when Jesus rose up from the dead and showed himself alive, he told the woman, he said, go tell the disciples. And Peter, my car, it started spinning. This little thing started spinning on my GPS system, and then after a while, it said rerouting. I came to tell you about a God who can reroute you. I came to tell you about a God who can reroute a mess and a messy situation, and you've been down to nothing, and everybody's looking at you funny, and you embarrass your family, and you embarrass yourself, and you embarrass your name and everything. I came to tell you that God is spinning, and when he gets through spinning, he's going to reroute you into something that you never had before.